y'all? It's your girl. I'm back today for a hair review on DYHAIR777. So first of all, I want to say this bag is the cutest. It's like a little purse. Definitely will keep this to continuously store this wig in it or store other things in this. I just thought their packaging was super cute. Look at the detail, the little roses. I thought that was super cute, girly, and it's in this little cute drawstring bag, so you can definitely reuse this. I love stuff like that. Presentation is everything. Then it comes inside of another little bag. Ooh, comes inside of like a wig bag, which I like. And you could probably reuse this for something else or to keep this hair in it. Mesh net. Already I'm liking the way this hair is feeling. It feels really good. This is a 360. It's got the combs. It's got 2 combs in the middle, or it's got 3 combs in the middle and 1 comb in the back. It looks like it's pre-plucked with baby hairs. So that's also good. Nice baby hairs too. So the knots are not bleached, so you'll either have to bleach your own knots or do what I do and use some airbrush legs, spray that on there, or if you don't have that or don't want to use that, you can also use like powder or concealer. It's very long. So let's go ahead and cut off this lace, and yeah, so far I really am liking the way this looks. So I'm ready. I'm excited to get this tried on. So let's go ahead and cut this lace off and get this wig on. This hair is super, super bouncy. I love a good bounce to hair. Looks like your hairs flow through easily, which I also love. This hair is very gorgeous. Like, yep. I'm looking for the bounce. Look at that, y'all. Yep. The bounce is everything. You just take your fingers through and separate these curls a little bit so that when you do put it on, it's nice and full. Getting very minimal shedding here, which is good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the straps really quickly. And then so what I'm gonna do is, because the knots are not already bleached on this unit, I mean, it looks pretty good, but I'm wearing a dark colored cap. I have this line because I had already sprayed some on my other unit, and I didn't wait until it fully dried because I'm impatient like that, okay? But anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray some airbrush legs onto the lace part of this unit as well. This is my tried and true method. I love this because I don't usually buy tan colored caps. Mine are usually the standard black kind, and so I love to do this. Even if you buy the standard, even if you buy the tan kind, you're gonna have to do something for your knots, okay? So I just like to just spray a little bit of this on, and if this gets on to the actual hair, onto your skin, just take a washcloth or a wipey or tissue, you know, a paper towel with some water on it, and it'll wipe right off. It is water resistant, so I like this because you don't have to worry too much about, once it's in there and dried, it's basically in there. So there you go. Very simply, I have let my airbrush legs dry, so now we are completely ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and try this on. By the way, this is 130% density. So not the thickest, but not the thinnest either. It is a loose wave texture, which is my favorite curl pattern, by the way. Like, loose wave to me is like the perfect curl. It's not too curly, but it's not too loose either, okay? I really, this is my favorite type of hair to wear. So I can't wait to get in and try it. But now that we have went ahead and got our knots bleached, you can tell. I'm gonna show y'all the difference here. Okay, so you can see that here is the difference, and this is with no cap No bleaching. Yeah, definitely love this trick. So y'all got to get you some of this airbrush your legs, okay? It definitely works very well. If you guys want to see me try this beauty on, be sure to click the link down and below and go watch part 2, okay?